Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can approve a document which have key for the approval. So for that you need to go in approvals module. On your left hand side you will see approvals module option. Please click on this. Now once you will go in approval module, the category will be received and status will be pending. So in pending list, you will see all the documents which are pending for your approval. So like these two POs are pending for me for approval, and by whom it has been created? It has been created by Mr. Rakesh. So what I need to do, I need to select the PO. You can select multiple as well, and you will get option of approve, reject, and approve and send. So let me tell you what these options do. So once you will reject this, so the PO will go back to the creator. Once you will approve this, then after the creator need to use the edit option and save and send option in order to send this PO finally. So you are just the approver. Sending will be done by the creator itself. And here is the approve and send. So once you will click on approve and send, it will directly be approved and sent to the supplier without going to the creator. So in approve, the creator intervention will be required, and in approve and send, there will be no intervention required, as you will be directly approving and sending this document. You can also open this PO, and once you will open this PO, here you will get option of approval actions. From here you will get all the three options same as approval module: reject, approve and send. So just you need to select the required option. Like suppose this PO I am approving, so just click on approve and this particular PO will be approved. Same if I go in the approval module, please check, one of the PO is pending. I will select the approve. This particular PO is approved now, and now it will come in the approved segment. So this is how you go ahead and approve a document in approval module. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while using the approval module. Have a good day ahead.